Horizontal lines running across your TCL TV screen can be annoying and make watching anything really difficult, but the good news is most of these issues can be fixed at home with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through every method you can safely try, and by the end, you'll know exactly what's causing the problem and how to get your picture looking normal again. First, let's check if the lines are caused by the TV itself or an external device. Open the on-screen menu using your remote. If the lines stay visible while the menu is open, the problem is inside the TV. But if the lines disappear when the menu appears, then the issue is most likely coming from your HDMI cable or another connected device. You can also take a quick photo or short video of your screen using your phone. If the lines don't show up in the recording, it's almost always a signal or device-related issue, not a panel problem. Now let's try a complete power cycle. Turn off your TV, unplug it directly from the wall, and while it's unplugged, press and hold the TV's physical power button for around 30 to 60 seconds. This drains leftover power from the internal components. Leave it unplugged for a few minutes before plugging it back in. If the lines are still there, you can also try a factory reset in the settings to restore everything back to the original configuration. Before doing that, switch through different picture modes like standard, movie, and dynamics. Sometimes a corrupted picture profile can create temporary display issues. If the reset didn't help, it's time to inspect your HDMI cables and external devices. Unplug the HDMI cable and plug it back in firmly. Make sure the connectors are clean and locked in place. Try a different HDMI port on the TV or test with a new cable altogether. If nothing changes, connect a different device such as another streaming stick or console to see if the issue only happens with one source. Also check the HDMI settings in your TV and switch between HDMI 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 modes if your model supports it, as this can fix compatibility issues that cause lines or flickering. Don't forget to check the software on your TV. Go to Settings, then Support, and run a software update. Keeping your firmware current helps prevent bugs and refreshes your display system. If the online update fails, you can update using a USB drive. After that, make sure the TV is plugged directly into a wall outlet instead of a surge protector or smart plug. Unstable power can sometimes cause display artifacts, so testing a different wall socket is worth trying. If the problem is still there, the issue may be related to the T-con board or ribbon cables inside the TV. Without opening anything, you can gently press around the frame, especially near where the lines appear, to see if the connection temporarily returns. Avoid pressing hard on the screen itself. If you see a single thin line running perfectly across the screen or halfway through, that usually means a gate driver or panel fault. In those cases, the issue often returns even after pressure, which means it may need professional repair. And that's it for this guide on how to fix horizontal lines on your TCL TV. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you get your screen back to normal. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more simple tech fixes. If you tried these steps and got results, or still need help, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what happened and help if you're stuck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.